In this video, let me show you how to use Goodreads quotes to find inspiration. So in order to do this, you'll need to first of all head over to the web version of Goodreads because you won't be able to find it using the mobile app. Make sure you search for goodreads.com and make sure you log in and then head over to the slash quotes section by simply typing it in. So just type goodreads.com/quotes and you'll be taken to the quotes section. Now, in order to find inspiration, you can just head over to it, or what you can also do is browse by tag. You can see all of the tags that are readily available. So you can just head over to one of these options and you can just head over to the inspirational quotes as well if this is what you're looking for. Once you're inside of the inspirations quote, you can see all of the quotes that different authors or people have added in inside of the section. You can interact with it by giving it a like, and you can also share it as well. So using this exact section, you can use quotes to get inspiration. If this kind of video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and I'm going to see you in the next video.